Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Okay? All right, today I want to show you how to automate your system for IPS. Okay? This is one of the steps in your membership area, and I'm going to show you how to do it and which systems I use to automate Infinity Processing System. Okay, if you're here for the first time and you're not sure of what this is all about, I've put a link in the description. It's the very first link, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go there and check it out. But this is perfect for newbies. If you're new to internet marketing, you're new to affiliate marketing, you're not sure where to start, what type of training you need, this is definitely something you want to go check out. So I'm not going to get into all the details of it because I want to show you how to automate it. All right, but here's the 3 products that you will be introduced to. Okay, the training products, $50, $150, and $300. Okay, so it's very affordable to get started, but go check that link out in the description. Right now, what I'm going to do is show you how to automate it. It is one of the steps that they show you in the training. So let's get into that. Okay, once you're in your membership area, guys, right here, see it says membership area. Step 1 is definitely you following these steps right here. Get started. As far as joining the Facebook groups, there's 2 of them. Follow these steps. Set up your payment processor. They give you step-by-step instructions. Very simple. Get that started. Get your website created. Then the next step is for you, and it's optional actually. Step 2 is, you see it says optional. But I'm here to tell you, if you're here for the long haul, and this is something you're really interested in doing, and you want to be successful with online marketing, you want to create your sales funnel. Okay. Now, the one that they show you in here is utilizing Response. I'm sorry, that's the Autoresponder. Online Sales Pro is the marketing system that she shows you how to use. You're welcome to go check it out. And she uses Response. Okay, but it shows you step by step how to do that. However, for me, I've been using the Conversion Pros for quite a while. So anybody that joins me, I'll be happy to give you my share code to just duplicate that system that I'm already using. You can just plug right into that. And then I'll also show you another system. So that's what I'm here to show you, how to set up and automate your Infinity Processing system that you just purchased, that you just bought into, how to automate that. All right, so let me show you what I'm using. Okay, this is the marketing system I'm using right here called the Conversion Pros. I've put a link in the description. You can check it out. You get 14-day free trial, so you can check it out, give it a run, see how you like it. It also comes with an app, which is pretty cool. A lot of these marketing systems don't have that, so that's a great feature that you can have, an app. Okay, so that way when folks sign up through your marketing lead systems, you're able to get notified. Okay, and you can do everything from your phone. It's pretty cool. All right, so I'll put the link in the description. Get your 2-week free trial, and if you decide to stay, it is $50 a month, but you also receive an affiliate commission for everybody you refer. If they decide to stay as well and pay the $50, you make $25, guys, for every sign up, and that's residual income month after month after month, as long as they keep their membership. Okay, and then just think, everybody that signs up with you in IPS, you're able to give them your share code that you created, your sales funnel through the Conversion Pros, and they can just plug right in. All right, so let me show you one of the pages I created. All right, this is one of the pages I created. Let me see. Hang on a second. Okay, as you can see right here, it says the copy paste method. Make $300 a day with your smartphone. And this is in the Conversion Pros. Okay, and I already have the email follow-up series set up for you as well once you receive my share code. Okay, Now the Conversion Pros comes with landing pages already done for you. All you have to do is plug in. They have different niches, as you can see here. So you would just simply, if you didn't use my share code, you would just go in here, click landing pages, and there may be other pages that you may be interested in. You just click there, you copy it, and then you plug your IPS link in, okay? And then you have a page created. All right, so let's say you did decide to do that. You go here, you click copy, okay? Let's say you wanted this particular page right here. You go here, okay? It's very simple. See right here where they would enter their name and email. This is what you would edit. You would click edit. This is how simple this thing is. And right here it says, well, where do you want us to send your people? So of course you will put your IPS link right here. That's it. Do you want name and email? Do you want name, email, and phone number? You just click here to decide which one of those you would want. Click save. Boom, your page is done. Okay, and it's very user friendly. It's very newbie friendly, and they have training step by step to even show you how to do what I just did. All right, now again, if you join me, I would already have the email series set up, so you wouldn't have to worry about doing this. Now let me show you another system. So again, this one's $50 a month, but you can try it out for 2 weeks free. Okay, so let me show you another system. Okay, here's another system that you can go check out. I'm going to put the link in the description. This one is already set up specifically for IPS. Okay, they already have the autoresponder set up. The difference here is this is the only page, okay, that they've designed for IPS. However, they have other capture pages that you can use. You've got to modify your email follow-up series, okay, but this one is specifically for IPS. All right, and you would just plug in your IPS link. This one's only $19.99 a month. Okay, so this is how you automate, because when we say automate, you want to have a capture page in front of IPS website that they give you, right? This is the page that everybody has. This page right here, this is your website. Okay, but right here, guys, you're not capturing any leads. So you don't know who's going to your site. You don't know who's looking at information. So when you have an automated marketing system, okay, the email series is going to follow up on your behalf. Not to mention, you can send a broadcast email to all your prospects. You need follow-up, okay? So that is definitely something you need if you're going to be serious about the making money online niche. But not only that, see, with the Conversion Pros, guys, you have a little bit more creativity, okay? You can switch these pages up. You can link your own YouTube videos in them. You have more flexibility, okay, to kind of brand yourself if you go with the Conversion Pros. Like I said, and not to mention, you can get commissions, $25 unlimited commissions over and over for everybody that becomes a member under your link with the Conversion Pros. Okay, so let's go over here. I want to show you right here, training. They have everything you need step by step. Just click training, and here is the training. Depending on what you're looking for: system training, affiliate training, and coaching. Okay, so not to worry about, well, I'm not really sure what to do when I get in here. They have everything step-by-step video tutorials, so it's very simple to use. Okay, so you definitely want to look at automating IPS Infinity Processing System. It does not come with a capture page, so that's why I'm giving you a tip on automation and how to set it up. Okay, so when you log in, go to step 1. Definitely set up everything, get your website ordered. It is a one-time investment with this system. There's no monthly fees with IPS. That's what I like about Infinity Processing System. No monthly fees, one-time setup. So it's $25 for your website that you're going to get like this. Okay. They're going to brand it to you. Okay. However, you need, if this is going to be long-term, you want to automate everything. That way you're notified when leads come in. You know who's looking at the system, and you can follow up accordingly. All right. So you decide. I've given you two options, whether you want to go with the $19.99 a month marketing system, or you want to go with the Conversion Pros for $50 a month. So take a look at both of those and decide. I will put the link in the description for you to check them out. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My info is in the description as well. Okay. With that being said, if you're interested in learning how to make $300 a day and getting the blueprint with all the training that you need for a newbie or even an advanced person, this is definitely a training I recommend. Go check it out. My link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Just pick one of these training courses that best suits you. $50, $150, or $300. Just remember, if you go pro, you get all three, and you're able to make $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and $300 commissions. Very newbie friendly, easy to follow training. Okay, teaches you how to market on social media. It also teaches you Craigslist training as well. Okay, so go check the link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. And for everyone that joins at that pro level, I'm going to send a solo ad on your behalf of a 200-click ad, okay, through a solo vendor that's highly recommended that I use on a consistent basis. All right, so all in for $325, or just pick whatever level works for you best. And remember, with this, you get paid any way you want. Cash App, Venmo, credit card, Zelle, whatever your preference is, and it's instant pay, guys. You're not going to have to wait on a weekly paycheck from the company or anything like that. As soon as someone joins you from your link, you're paid instantly. Okay, so this is a great way to learn and earn at the same time. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.